Kashtuk Bowcraft here today. What I'm going to do today, I'm going to, I made these serrated bone broadheads, and what I wanted to do is test them, the penetration capability between the serrated ones and the straight edge ones. This is just a regular bone broadhead here. These points are about 2 1/4 inches long and 1 inch wide, and they weigh pretty much. The serrated one might weigh a little bit less because there's material taken off. I forgot to weigh them before I mounted them on the shafts, but they started off weighing around the same weight. Anyway, I've got them hafted on with rawhide, and we're going to go outside here, and I also have them marked 6 inches, 8 inches, and 10 inches. So I don't know that they'll go that deep, but we'll see how deep they go when I pull them out. So we're going to go outside and test these. I'm also going to shoot a metal Zwicky broadhead too, and compare all 3 of these, how far they penetrate into the target. So we're going to get set up outside and give it a shot. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to shoot the Zwicky first, and then I'm going to shoot the straight edge one, and then I'm going to shoot the serrated arrowhead. And there's a target there. It's actually shooting into really dense foam floor mats. I've got a bunch of these floor mats, and I just stacked them one on top of each other, and so that's a pretty dense target. So none of these may go that deep, but we'll check it out and see how they go. Okay, there's a group. You know, I didn't even warm up. I just took these arrows out and just shot them. So these ones went high, but I know that was my fault. This one went right into the target. But anyway, I'm going to pull these out. You could see already where they ended up as far as the markings were concerned. So I'm going to go ahead and pull these out and see what happened to the points. That's the straight edge, and you can see that it went beyond 8 inches in. Probably about 9 inches, 8.5 to 9 inches. This is the Zwicky, and it went about 6.5 inches in. And this is the serrated one, and it went about 6 inches in. I'm going to shoot it one more time just to make sure. Okay, you can see they all hit the cardboard, so we'll get a better reading when we pull them out. That's the straight edge one. It went 8 inches. This is the serrated one, and it went 6 inches again. Oop, tip came off. This is the Zwicky, and it went past 10 inches. Okay, so there you go. That's the test. Okay, so there you go. We shot these arrows. And it turned out that the straight edge ones, which kind of makes sense, had a little bit deeper penetration, at least 2 inches deeper than the serrated one. But you know, 6 inches, that'll go right through somebody's leg or arm. Definitely good for small game. You could see how dense that target was, but the points are still on there very tightly. No damage to the points whatsoever. I usually don't make them this long because, you know, I don't want them to snap. But I think I'm going to start making them this long anyway from now on. You have a longer cutting surface, and I think they just look better when they're a little bit longer. But you could feel the inside of the serrations are very sharp. But I think that these protruding nodes here might prohibit or impede the penetration of the arrowhead. So, but I think though that they would be adequate for hunting. You just got to play around with it. But anyway, so there you go. I just started making these, and I do offer them for sale for anybody who wants to buy them. I was shooting probably about 12 yards away, and the bow that I was shooting is a 60-pound longbow. Okay, so there you go. That's the penetration test for the serrated bone broadhead. And so we're done. This is Kashtuk Bowcraft. Thanks for watching. Okay, we're back again. You know what I decided to do was sharpen those points that were protruding off the edge here. You could still see a little bit of the serrations. They're not as pronounced as far as the peaks and valleys are concerned, but what I did, I went in and rebeveled and sharpened the peaks of the arrowhead. I'm going to go outside and shoot these one more time and see if that improved the penetration on these. So we're going to get set up and check it out and see how it goes. Okay, this is the straight edge one, and this is the serrated one. And you could see here that they went pretty much the same distance. So sharpening those nodes there just a little bit looks like it helped it a lot as far as penetration is concerned. Alright, so this is not a scientific test. You know, I'm just fooling around back here, but there you go. That's the penetration comparison with the serrated and the straight-edged bone broadheads. Kashtuk Bowcraft, thanks for watching.